Starting around 11 November 2023, Velo in a real sense is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.12% in most recent 60 minutes, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Velo truly has an in every way that really matters, all-out market cap of $25,316,405 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $18,369,407 in an unobtrusive manner. This sort of makes Velo exceptionally positioning at 591 in the digital money market in an unpretentious way. On the off chance that you sort of are a crypto financial backer, and considering what certainly is the Velo cost expectation end of 2023, what will Velo fundamentally be most certainly worth in 2023? Is Velo a sort of wise speculation or genuinely worth purchasing in 2023, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking? Will Velo cost basically outperform its unsurpassed height, which in a real sense is very huge? These in a real sense are our Velo cost expectations for Velo's future in a really significant manner. Velo value expectation 2023, as per the Velo figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023, the Velo cost generally is supposed to commonly cross a normal value level of $0.003, the normal by and large least value worth of Velo, toward the finish of the genuinely current year, ought to sort of be $0.003 in a kind of huge manner. Besides, Velo can especially arrive at a kind of greatest value level of $0.003 in an unpretentious manner. Velo value figure August 2023, the really normal cost of Velo could go to $0.003 toward the finish of August 2023, showing how might Velo cost generally outperform its record-breaking high, for the most part in opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo could for the most part be exchanging around in every way that really matters, greatest worth of $0.003, with the base expected cost of $0.002, exceptionally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Velo value estimate September 2023. In September 2023, the cost of Velo in every way that really matters is gauged to generally be at around a base worth of $0.003, showing how besides Velo can by and large arrive at a truly most extreme value level of $0.003, certainly in spite of mainstream thinking. The Velo value worth can arrive at an especially limit of $0.003, with the exceptionally normal exchanging worth of $0.003 in United States dollars incredibly. Velo value figure October 2023. The by and large normal cost of Velo could for the most part go to $0.003 toward the finish of October 2023, or so they truly thought. Velo could be exchanging around a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.003, with the exceptionally least expected cost of $0.003, showing that starting around 11 November 2023, Velo fundamentally is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.12% in very most recent 60 minutes, which basically is very huge. Velo value figure November 2023. In November 2023, the greatest cost for Velo could basically stretch around $0.003, which generally is genuinely critical. Moreover, the minimum cost of Velo in November 2023 in a real sense is $0.003, with a genuinely normal cost of $0.003, demonstrating the way that Velo could in a real sense exchange around a sort of most extreme worth of $0.003, with the by and large least expected cost of $0.003. Exhibiting that starting around 11 November 2023, Velo truly is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.12% in essentially most recent 1 hour in a very significant manner. Velo value figure December 2023. In December 2023, the essentially greatest cost for Velo could generally stretch around $0.003, demonstrating the way that Velo could for the most part be exchanging around a greatest worth of $0.003, with the truly least expected cost of $0.003. Exhibiting that starting around 11 November 2023, Velo by and large is exchanging at $0.003 in term of its United States dollars rate, with the value change of 0.12% in certainly most recent 60 minutes, really in spite of mainstream thinking. Besides, the minimum cost of Velo in December 2023 in a real sense is $0.003, with a typical cost of $0.003 in opposition to prevalent thinking. Velo's sort of past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Velo's cost generally has shown a sort of good increment of 11.4% in the truly most recent 24 hours, or so they in a real sense thought. From truly most recent 7 days the Velo was in certainly great vertical pattern and expanded by 29.6%, so Velo by and large past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap, the Velo's cost sort of has shown a by and large great increment of 11.4% in every way that really matters, most recent 24 hours, which fundamentally is very critical. Velo in a real sense has shown areas of strength for commonly potential recently, and this could be very great chance to especially dive right in and contribute, exhibiting that will Velo value sort of outperform its unsurpassed high, which truly is very critical. Inside the kind of most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo basically diminished by 46.501%, wiping out an incredible especially normal amount of $0.003 from its really current worth in opposition to mainstream thinking. This unexpected down explicitly implies that the coin by and large is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can be a very decent really purchase an open door for sort of fast venture, or so they fundamentally thought. The 90 days cost change sort of is around 16.89%, and the value sort of coursed from a by and large least really normal cost of $0.003 to exceptionally most extreme pretty normal cost of $0.003 in the very beyond 90 days, showing how inside the very most recent 1 month, the cost of Velo in every practical sense diminished by 46.501%. Killing an astounding genuinely normal amount of $0.003 from its genuinely current worth, which especially is very huge. In by and large most recent 4 months Velo generally has shown a developing pattern in an unobtrusive manner. In this way, we sort of think that comparative pieces of the market truly were very famous at that period, which sort of is very critical. As indicated by the fundamentally the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Velo generally is expanded from 4 months, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. The exchanging volume is a fundamental job in its cost in an unobtrusive manner. The coin for the most part is up by 37.73%, with the sort of greatest exceptionally normal cost of the coin by and large was around $0.002, and the truly least for the most part normal cost of truly was around $0.002 in extremely beyond 4 months, which in every way that really matters is genuinely critical. Velo value estimate 2023 facts. What will sort of be Velo worth in 2023? The Velo cost